Welcome you guys. So welcome to Kiran Swati NEET tutorials. Now we are going to discuss about remaining other racemose inflorescences. So now we are going to discuss about a spadix type of inflorescence. What about a spadix type of inflorescence? So in spadix type of inflorescence, so here the peduncle it is a long in size and long in length and thick in size, right? So here the flowers are sessile flowers. So these are the sessile male flowers. And here it is having sessile female flowers. And between the male flowers and female flowers, neutral flowers are also present. So these are neutral flowers, right? So see, at the apex of the peduncle, so there is no flowers, it is present. So this portion what we call as, it is appendix. There is no flowers at the apex of the peduncle. So in this peduncle, some portion of the bract it is modified into sheath-like structure. It is covering all the type of flowers, right? So it is what we call as, it is a spathe. It is a modified bract. So it is mainly helpful for what? It is helpful for protection. So example for a spadix inflorescence is Cocos nucifera, coconut, Amorphophallus, and Colocasia, right? So these are all the example for spadix type of inflorescence. So these are the which type of flowers it is present. So those are sessile flowers, right? So next we will discuss about another inflorescence, so that is a head or anthodium inflorescence. Head inflorescence, it is also called as anthodium. So what about head inflorescence? So in head inflorescence, so here the peduncle it is long and thick na. So if you will see in head and anthodium inflorescence, the peduncle it is a disc shape and condensed one. So it is a peduncle. So it is a disc shape and a condensed one. So here the flowers are bracteate sessile flowers. So sessile flowers means so those are flowers, it is not having a pedicel, right? So these are sessile flowers. It's not having a pedicel. So these are disc florets. And it is surrounded by, so here the disc florets, it is surrounded by ray florets. Right, so these are what? So these are ray florets and these are disc florets, right? So it is what? It is peduncle. So these are the flowers are sessile flowers. So here it will show us one type of arrangement, and we have discussed it in earlier classes. So what is the type of arrangement? So the flowers are opened in a centripetal order, from periphery to the, from ray florets to the towards the center. So the type of arrangement what we call as, that is a centripetal arrangement. Centrifugal means from center to the towards the periphery. So head and anthodium or inflorescence, again it is a two types. So that is it is homogamous head or heterogamous head. Homogamous or heterogamous, right? So what about homogamous and heterogamous? So homogamous head means it is having only one type of florets. If it is having only ray florets or only disc florets, so then the type of head inflorescence what we call as, that is a homogamous. If it is having only ray florets. So example, if you will take a homogamous head example is a chrysanthemum. But if you will see this one, here it is having a disc florets as well as a ray florets. So this type of head is what we call as, it is a heterogamous head. So example for this one it is Helianthus annuus, a sunflower, right? So and along with that, so below the ray florets it is having a bract, it is modified into involucre. Right? It is helpful for a production. So it is about a head or anthodium inflorescence. I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.